At around 2 a.m., a home succumbed to a sudden and powerful explosion, as captured by a nearby doorbell camera. The cause behind this dramatic event was determined to be an improperly shut-off gas appliance. Miraculously, no individuals were present within the premises at the time, resulting in no injuries. Nevertheless, the repercussions were immense. The blast inflicted severe structural damage upon the house and flung debris onto neighboring buildings. Witnesses residing in nearby apartments reported shattered windows as a consequence of the impact. Additionally, parked vehicles fell victim to the force unleashed by the explosion.